Hey, it's Max again. In case you didn't know, I am a 20-year-old AI enthusiast, and I love how AI is constantly evolving. And oh boy, I have to say that my guilty pleasure is finding out more about how big tech companies are making mind-blowing advancements with AI, which is why today I'm going to tell you about Google's Bard's new update, which just might put ChatGPT out of the race. Now, before I tell you about how Bard has surpassed GPT this month, did you know that Google had announced Bard's existence less than 2 weeks after Microsoft disclosed that it's pouring billions of dollars into OpenAI, the maker of ChatGPT, and other tools that can write readable text and generate new images? Following this, Microsoft decided to up its game and intensify the pressure on Google. And Google seems to have won the race this month, after enhancing Bard with updates over the last 3 months. Its CEO, Sundar Pichai, revealed that the launch of OpenAI's ChatGPT had caused a code red inside Google, and the company had to scramble to catch up with the new technology. Well, I guess the sleepless nights were worth it. Pichai has been emphasizing the importance of AI for the last 6 years, with one of the most visible byproducts materializing in 2021 as part of a system called Language Model for Dialogue Applications, or LaMDA, which powers Bard. Bard is the large language model (LLM) chatbot that Google AI has developed, and it has come a long way since its initial announcement in May 2023. This revolutionary tool has seen a series of impressive updates and feature enhancements that have boosted its capabilities, making it even more powerful asset for users across the globe. As of this year, Google has been focusing on enhancing Bard with improved abilities and expanded features, the most recent of which has now helped it surpass even GPT-4 thanks to its enhanced mathematical and logical reasoning abilities powered by a new language model, PALM2, which includes 20 programming languages. Now, Bard can generate code, translate code from one language to another, and debug code, besides answering questions about code. Last month, he responded to criticism of Bard, promising that Google will be upgrading it soon, and told the New York Times, quote-unquote, "We clearly have more capable models." He added, "Pretty soon we will be upgrading Bard to some of our more capable Palm models, which will bring more capabilities, be it in reasoning, coding. It can answer math questions better, so you will see progress over the course of next week." Oh boy, did Pichai deliver! Let me run you through the updates, but before that, I've got a question. Why did the comedian prefer Google Bard over ChatGPT? Because Google Bard always had the perfect punchline, while ChatGPT kept getting stuck in an "oops, I didn't understand that" loop. That one got me. Okay, back to the updates. Bard's mathematical and coding accuracy got a significant upgrade on May 15th with a newly integrated technique known as implicit code execution, which empowered Bard to detect computational prompts and perform code execution in the background. It boosted Bard's proficiency in solving mathematical tasks, coding questions, and string manipulation to an impressive 90% accuracy rate. While ChatGPT 3.5 is still struggling with basic math, coding, and intricate mathematics, GPT-4 has recently been improved, aligning more closely with Bard's mathematical and coding competences. And although it's a close call, Bard still has a slight edge over GPT-4 in terms of math reasoning. Google also recently claimed that Bard's accuracy in computation and math problems in their internal datasets has been improved by up to 30%, and shared some examples of Bard's responses to these questions on its website and blog. Check them out. They're actually pretty impressive. On June 10th, Google extended Bard's language capabilities to Japanese and Korean using a rich new training dataset, and this expansion has made Bard's powerful tools accessible to a broader audience, increasing its global relevance. Google gave Bard visual interaction capability on June 21st, because of which its users can now get sharper and better visuals accompanying their text-based responses. and they can even include images in their prompts. That's something you can't do on ChatGPT yet. Bard also very recently got a one-click export option to Google Docs and Gmail to streamline workflows and ensure seamless integration across platforms. This feature allows Bard's users to effortlessly transport their responses, complete with formatting, mind you, into Google's Workspace apps for more editing. Another incredible new feature of PaLM 2 is that it can respond to questions in a tabular format and export its responses to Google Sheets. Like, if you ask Bard what the top 10 countries by population are, it will generate a table with names of the countries and their population numbers and give you the option to export all of it to Google Sheets. This is really handy for data analysis and visualization and pretty much leaves its other chatbot rivals in the dust with this update. How impressive is that? And I'm not even done with all of Bard's enhancements. Did you know that Bard now has a dark mode for its users' comfort and experience? Google gave it a dark theme, offering a switch between light and dark backgrounds, which is helpful in dim light conditions, besides reducing eye strain and enhancing the user's reading experience. Bard has also been equipped with advanced summarization capabilities, so that its users can quickly understand the gist of a topic. How considerate is that? And if that's not enough, Bard now includes the capability to match parts of a response to their source to make sourcing more transparent and accessible. And this allows its users to navigate to the original source effortlessly. Talk about convenience. And of course, Bard boasts of greater coding assistance as well. With the ability to assist in over 20 programming languages, it has become a valuable companion for coders of all experience levels. It offers comprehensive coding assistance from generating and debugging code to explaining how it works, and honestly, I'm super impressed. There are a few key differences between Bard and ChatGPT that boil down to the data sources and models they've been trained on. As I mentioned, Google Bard uses PaLM 2 and can offer responses based on real-time, current events pulled from Google Search, which makes it a great research tool. On the other hand, ChatGPT uses either its generative pre-training transformer 3, which is commonly known as GPT-3, or uses GPT-4 for paid subscribers. It can draw responses from Google Search, which would make it for a relatively better text generator or writing tool. But June's update lets Bard execute computations, generate code, and present information in a tabular format, greatly expanding its utility in fields such as education, development, and data analysis. And while Bard does exhibit some limitations, its improvements mark significant progress in AI-assisted search and conversation, while positioning it as a formidable tool in the landscape of AI chatbots. Overall, Google Bard's regular updates and enhancements are a testament to its constant impressive evolution that is helping it become an increasingly powerful and formidable tool for creativity, learning, and collaboration. And these developments and more unfold, I'll bet you can expect Google Bard to continue on this trajectory, incorporating even more features and improvements to foster efficient and effective human-AI interaction, and leave other chatbots like Blimp, GPT 3.5, and even GPT-4 in the dust. And while AIs like HAL in 2001, A Space Odyssey, and Steven Spielberg's AI might have a futuristic, if not unrealistic, tone for how people expect chatbot and robotic technology to evolve, some experts worry about the immediate risks of such rapid advancements in AI, like chatbots' tendency to spread mistruths, misinformation, while others warn about more existential threats, suggesting that these systems are so difficult to control that once they're connected to the wider web, they could be used destructively. Some of these experts think that current programs are also drawing closer to what's known as artificial general intelligence, or AGI, systems that are at least as capable as a human across a wide range of tasks. What does Pichai think about these concerns? He said, quote, "It is so clear to me that these systems are going to be very, very capable, and so it almost doesn't matter whether you've reached AGI or not. Can we have an AI system which can cause disinformation at scale? Yes. Is it AGI? It really doesn't matter. Why do we have to worry about AI safety? Because you have to anticipate this and evolve to meet that moment. And true to his words, Bard has really evolved. And now what I'd like to know is what you think of Google Bard's latest updates and how it stands against GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. Have you checked out Bard's new updates? If you haven't, go and check out for yourself and see what all the hype is about. And then head on over to the comment section and let me know. That's all for now. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, keep watching to find out the latest updates in the world of AI right here.